Well, we're back shooting episode 2. In my last video, we left off priming the cabinets and getting ready to lay down some paint. Well, the homeowners decided on using a semi-gloss oil-based paint and a lacquer finish. For the bottom cabinets, they chose to go with the darker color, and I think it really ties in great with the rest of the house, the two-toned kitchen. You can really see here the benefits of an HVLP application over a brush and a roller. I mean, it's just night and day. You could see how well the paint is atomized over the course of the project. So we're getting ready to mask and prep and tape and just cover everything in the kitchen as we are working with oil-based paints and oil-based finishes. One thing to consider is a water-based application, especially if there's small children in the home or pets and animals. I mean, it makes for easy cleanup. With the water-based finish, you're definitely going to want to hit it with more coats of finish just to make sure you get a nice solid hard coat on that paint. And there you have it. There's that nice, beautiful two-toned kitchen cabinet design that I really enjoyed. It goes great with the countertop and the colors in the whole house. What we're going to do here is I'm just doing a quick walkthrough showing how the light hits the paint, and you can see how well it lays down. There's quite a few things to consider when shooting. Larger areas, how well natural light hits certain cabinets, adjusting spray patterns, adjusting fan patterns, different spraying techniques that some people just don't consider when undertaking a big project. Let's take a look at these bottom cabinets here. See how well they turned out. And yeah, I mean, once again, there's no shadowing. There's no big splotches. There's no missed areas. We went over it with multiple coats of paint and 3 coats of lacquer, and they turned out great. This is definitely the result that the customer wanted, and they were more than satisfied with the job.
DIY is a great way to save yourself a nice chunk of change, but at the end of the day, prospective home buyers are going to be looking at your kitchen and your master bathroom. I want to give the homeowners, Lynn and her husband, a big thank you for having Budget Bits come out and refurbish their kitchen cabinets. They liked it so much that they booked us to paint the outside of their house. So more big things are on the way.